Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. Also live stream my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you'd like to get an awesome new PC and you'd like to see it get put together live, send me a message today. Alright, so got something a little bit different on tonight. So every couple of years or so, I generally build myself a new PC. And now that I'm doing live stream PC builds and stuff like that, it's a good opportunity for me when I do build myself a new PC to go get a whole heap of newer products just to sort of showcase them and, you know, so I can give different things a try without making my customers the guinea pigs. So I'll have a bit of fun here tonight. So let's get stuck right into it. Well, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed tonight's stream, doing something a little bit different and showcasing some of the awesome new products that are available. And I'll catch you all tomorrow in the next video.